Hi guys, in this video we're going to be looking at the skybet welcome offer, which is when you place a £5 bet, they're going to give you £20 in free bets. For this we're going to need obviously the skybet.com website open on the promo page. I've actually, like normal, got two tabs open. One is of the promo itself, so I can read the terms and refer back to them. And then once you've clicked on this red button that says continue, this is the next page that will pop up where I'm ready to open the account here on the right hand side. Moving on, we're going to need our Betfair account in a separate tab and our method of recording our bets, whether that's this match betting rookie toolbox spreadsheet or your own means. So I'm going to get this account open and pause the video, and I'll meet you back here shortly. Okay, we're back. We've got the account open and I've got £10 deposited. When you go through the account sign up process, it's a little bit more lengthy than some of the others, which is not a problem. And then when you come to deposit, the default options are 10, 20, £30. So that's why I put 10 in there. I probably could have keyed in 5, but just for ease I put 10, so it's up to you what you do. Looking at the terms of the offer, this one, the odds are 1 to 1 as a fraction. As a decimal, that is 2. So just be aware to double glance over or double read. You need to have a look at the terms, because these might not be the same terms as when you decide to open a skybet account. And indeed, on any bookie, you should be double checking the terms. Up until now, most accounts that both accounts that we've opened have been minimum odds of 1.5. So if you were to go forward and place that bet at 1.5, you're going to miss out on the £20 free bet. Any other terms are pretty similar. Deposit with a cash card, i.e. debit card. You need to place a £5 single bet, not an accumulator, and then your free bets are going to be credited as 2 lots of £10. But like I say, just double glance over those so you're familiar with what the qualifying criteria is. Into the skybet account, click on this little man icon, come down to edit account details, change the odds format to decimals, and hit submit changes. You will then need to log out and log back in for those changes to take effect. But once you're done on that, you should be open with money deposited and your odds changed to decimals, and you're ready to place a bet. So on the home page here already, we like to pick football, so I'm going to select all matches by the day, but if not, navigate to football on the left. And personally, as you know, I like the Premier League, so let's see what we can find. So on Friday we've got Saints playing Leicester. These ones below are different leagues. So our criteria was 2. We got Leicester at 2.3. And we've got Leicester to lay at 2.44. 2.3, 2.44, that's a 43p qualifying loss for a £20 free bet. That's okay because we've got a £20 free bet, but normally I would have that around 25p. I don't think Sky's odds are the closest to the exchange, so it's up to you how much you hunt around. Obviously we can and we will have a quick look at the matches on the Saturday. So Brighton, Everton. And we got 2.9 and 2.5. So Brighton 2.9, 2.96. There we go. So 27p qualifying loss. Our lay stake being 4.98. The downside of that is the liquidity there is only 3. So you could place that and hope that the rest is going to get matched, but that is not what I advise. You should be looking for liquidity, so you can get that match straight away, because the odds could go against you. So the other one was Everton at 2.5, and we got 268. It's not going to be as good. That's 48 pence, so we would be better off with the Saints Leicester match there. Just have a look at one more. Watford, Bournemouth. 2.28. £42. So I think I'm going to go for that instead of shopping around for too much longer. That's Watford at 215, £5 on. Okay, and we'll record that on the bet tracker. Just to mention that I've also recorded our skybet deposit and the fact that we've opened an account in the other two tabs if you're running with this spreadsheet. So I'll just key in this qualifying bet and I'll see you shortly. Okay, with the qualifying bet placed, the free bets are credited pretty quickly. They've come through here on the right hand side, you can see them, and it took about one or 2 minutes. Just refresh your browser page and they'll probably appear in a similar time fashion. Looking down through the bets, I've already clicked through to have a look at the Premier. On the Saturday, there wasn't really anything in our odds range. I found this Burnley-Chelsea match at 4.33. Like I say previously, we are looking for matches with odds over 4, just to get better value out of the bet. So I started looking at Sunday's matches and came across the Liverpool-Tottenham draw, which is on at 4.6, and over on Betfair, the same match, the draw is on at 4.8. Now you can see some other bets are still outstanding here. These are from bets that we placed previously. So where are we? Liverpool, Tottenham, Liverpool, Spurs here. So that was a qualifier with Coral. So that's a good reason to have the bet trackers, because if you're uncertain as to what bets are, or you think you may have made a mistake when typing in bets, you can always refer back to this to see how much you should have on. But so going to the calculator, back odds at 4.6, the stake is £10, lay odds at 4.8, which means our lay stake is 7.58. And then I'm just clicking this little parcel icon on the right of the box where you enter your stake to be able to select one of our free bets. That's placed, and that's confirmed on Betfair. Over to the bet tracker. Okay, with that filled in, onto our second bet. Still Sticking with the Premier League on Sunday, we can see Arsenal Palace 4.8. Okay, we got Arsenal for the draw with Crystal Palace at 4.8. Select our second free bet, laying at 7.52. And that's that placed as well. So there's our skybet welcome offer complete. We had a qualifying bet with a 42p loss. Then we had two bets. One was £7.20 in profit. One is £7.15 in profit. So that's going to give us, our two bets are going to earn us just over £14. But after we've deducted the 42p qualifier, we're going to walk away with a £13.93 profit. I'll see you in the next video.